and welcome to another episode of Plant-Based Kids!
Welcome back to the 3 Plant-Based Kids Kitchen.
Today we're making kimchi, Korea's iconic fermented dish. Originally created as a way to preserve vegetables, kimchi has become a flavorful staple, loved for its spicy, tangy taste and its incredible health benefits. Packed with natural probiotics, it supports digestion, strengthens immunity, and turns any meal into something vibrant and nourishing. Let's get started.
For the ingredients for the kimchi is Napa cabbage, Asian chives, green onions, garlic, sweet onions,
Chili flakes, fresh ginger, gochujang, miso paste, apple, and carrots. You can make kimchi any way you want, but today we're using fennel.
So now that all the cabbage is mixed with the sauce, we're going to put it in a jar so we can ferment for 5 days.
but first, let's taste it. Absolutely delicious.
The perfect amount of saltiness and spiciness.
Guys, stop eating it!
It's so good.
Titi, you just...
The cabbage is the best part.
Wait, so you say stop eating it, but you're still eating it?
I want to eat 4 pieces.
Okay, now we're done.
Titi, stop!
That's hot, okay?
Yeah,
After 24 hours, you need to prep your kimchi daily. Here's how to do it. Just open the container, let some air in, close it, and that's it. The kimchi should be ready in 5 days.
A few moments later.
That's it, our homemade kimchi is ready. Full of flavor, crunch, and probiotics to keep your gut happy.
Try this recipe at home and let us know how it went on Instagram.
Don't forget to like, share,
And subscribe.
and we'll see you next time on 3 Plant-Based Kids.